let's understand about for loops. Okay, for loops are basically very similar to your while loops. Okay, so let me first explain you by this. So if I want to print some numbers, okay, like let's say n equal to 10, so I'll take I equal to 1. Okay, I'll take I is less than or equal to 10. Okay, and I'll be okay, see out the value of I, right? This will help me to print my from what is it 1 to n, right? 1 to 10 means and I equal to I plus 1, right? What is this known as? Initializer, right? We initialize the value. Okay, initialize, sorry for the handwriting, condition, and increment. Just a second, let me just write here. Okay, increment, right? We know this, right? We already know this. When we use for loops, everything is written on in a specific line, only in a specific line. Okay, we'll see that. For that, let's just understand. We'll just code and let's understand. Okay, so let's just code it. Okay, I'll just show you quickly from while loops. So int I equal to 1, and for time being, let's just take n equal to 10, okay, by ourselves only. Okay, so write it here so that we can understand it properly. So v plus while I is less than or equal to n, see out the value of I, give a new line, I equal to I plus 1. So I plus plus, now we can write, right? Already we know about how we have seen, right, the increment and decrement. So we can write like this, right? So now let's just print it. Okay, and what we're expecting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let's just see. Making sense? Now see, this was your while loop. This was your while loop. If you see properly, you can do this thing. Okay, 4 will basically do this. Int I equal to 1. What is this? Initialize it. Now write condition I is less than or equal to n I plus plus. Can you see the advantage now? Everything is written in only one line. And just do this, see out, control C. Only this much and everything will take care of itself. Okay, let's see how it's taking care of itself. See, I equal to 1. This is the initialization. Okay, so initial value. Initialize. And this will run only once. Okay, that means as soon as it sees, okay, I equal to 1, that's great. It will run only once. Run only once. Okay, this part. It will come and check the condition. Is my value, that is I, equal to 1 right now? Is it less than my n? Right now n was 10, right? So yes, print the value. After printing, it will come again on this line, and now it won't check this part. It will increase the value of I. So I equal to I plus 1. That means it became 2, right? Because I value was 1. Now see, this part is done. Again, it will come and check my I is less than or equal to n. That means is 2 less than or equal to 10? Yes. Come inside and again print it. After doing that, again increase the value of I. Then again I will be increased from I from 2 to 3, right? Again come and check. See, this part ran only once, but these are just getting running by. See, we're just increasing the value. We're just coming and checking the conditions, okay, every now and then. After this line, just coming because everything is within this curly brace, right? So come and check it. So see properly. Here is the condition, and here is the increment or decrement. Okay, you either you want to increment it, either you want to decrement it, it's just fine. So let me write increment, okay, or I should rather say update. Okay, either you want to increase it or you want to decrease it, it's fine. Making sense? Okay, let's run this part. Obviously, this also will be the same answer. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, making sense? Second. Where did it go? It's here. Okay, making sense? Simple, right? What if I write here? Okay, go till and like go till this I less than n. I less than n means if my value of n is 10 and even I becomes 10, then obviously it will not run. It will stop the loop, it will come out of it and it will come here. And here we're not doing, right now we're not doing anything, so it won't do anything. So it's gonna print till from 1 to 9. Okay, if you want to print from 1 to 9, We can do this, let's say. Making sense? And if you want to print from 0 to 9, how? So just make this 0 and it will print from 0 to 9. How many values? 10 values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's it. Making sense? I hope it's clear, right? I hope it's clear. Very simple, right? So now let's do one interesting code. Okay, let's do like we want to actually again add this sum from 1 to n. Okay, from given n equal to 10. So add from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, whatever sum we need to add. We have done using the while loop, right? So let's do it using for loop. So let me take sum here. Sum equal to 0. Simple, right? Just come here. And now what you're supposed to do? Sum equal to sum plus I. And it's gonna run from 1 to even you need to include your. Okay. So just see some simple thing. Just sum was 0. Your I is initialized from 1. We are running till the value of n. We are doing the increment. After this part is run, after then only the increment will take place. Okay, remember, right now I equal to 1, so it won't increment right now. It will do this part, whatever is inside the loop. It will, when it will finish, then only it will go and increment the value, and after incrementing it will check the condition. Okay, so let's do it. What are you expecting the answer? If you come out of the loop, you would have get your, if you were to put your answer, so just your the value of sum. Okay, so how much, what you're expecting if we run it for 4? So okay, we're running for 10. Let's try it for 4 to make simple. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 mean 10. Why? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Make sense? Okay, right now I did not ask the user to give me the input. If I can ask, then obviously I can just do the scene, right? So let's do it for maybe 100. We got 5050. Obviously it will be correct. Okay, I hope then you understood how to use for loops. Okay, instead of while loops, see, even while loops you can use. They have their own advantages. We'll see as we move further. We'll understand where we need to use for loops or where we need to use while loops. Actually, it's the same. Okay, it's the same. You can use either while loop to do the stuff. You can use the for loop to do the stuff. For loops just makes things simpler, more simple. Okay, very simple, right? So okay, so see you guys in the next videos. Okay, thank you.